Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. In this video we want to eat our rice fufu. Okay, this is rice fufu and this is egusi, melon and vegetable with chicken. So this is my baby, so follow us as we want to eat our food. Thank you very much. So Philip, Marilla, come and sit and eat. Go and sit now. Yeah, wash your hand. Wait, so Philip, wait. Come and wash your hand. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, we are covered this food with the blood of Jesus. Okay, say amen.
Amen.
So, beautiful people, come and join us with this food.
This is rice milk.
Rice milk fufu.
Yes, rice milk fufu.
Eat.
It's fish.
You can see the rice
The
is
texture.
like pounded yam. You see?
Like pounded
Yeah.
yam.
Take it.
Yeah. Eat. Viewers, you are invited.
You are invited.
This is so yummy.
Yummy. Eat now.
No, eat.
It's hot. Yeah, eat.
Wow. Yummy. I know that it's getting cold. I love the texture.
You are eating now.
No, like eat now.
So, beautiful people.
The weather is changing. Let me show you are.
This is yummy.
Philip.
Eat. Philip, eat.
Beautiful people, this is the rice fufu. Okay, this is our stew, our egusi, our soup. Wow, beautiful people, the rain is trying to fall.
Yes.
So
Don't forget to share, like, comment,
Subscribe
subscribe.
if you have not done so.
Manula eat.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you in our next video.